Hola amigos, welcome to Fatima Spanish Kitchen. Today's recipe, or this week's recipe, is going to be a different type of appetizers that you can do with a date. That is organic date Medjool, I think it's pronounced like this. These ideas to, if you have a party or you have to bring anything, that you can bring those wonderful dates. Hola amigos, hoy voy a compartir con ustedes varias formas de hacer un aperitivo con dátiles. So let's start making that wonderful recipe. Also keep watching because I'm going to show you the easiest way that I have found to chop pistachio in the easiest way. You will see. My dates have the pit inside, so we have to pit it. We just cut it and take out the pit. It's very easy. There are some that you can find it without a pit. I have 6 dates here. I pitted all of them and it's delicious. It's almond. That almond I toasted a little bit. You can use a raw almond, you can use a Marcona almond. So I just fill it with, you can even put 2 if the date is really big, fit 2. You close it, and then how you have a round bacon, and you just wrap it, and now we are going to put it in the oven. I have cream cheese that is a room temperature, it's easier to work with. And here I have some pistachios. So you peel the pistachio and take, that is sometimes more difficult than others. So how I told you, the easiest way that I have found to chop pistachio. So I have a Ziploc bag, and then I put it my pistachio. I just close the zip bag. I put it in a, in a container, and with the roller, the regular roller, you just match, like this until you can roll it until you have it, as you want it. It's perfect, very easy. You don't make a mess, really easy. So I put a cream cheese inside my date. I have 1 and I have 2, and now I have my pistachio, and I just sprinkle a little bit on top of the date. It's delicious because it's the crunchy of the pistachio and it's really good. And my third one, because I found that the Roquefort cheese with sweet is a combination that you cannot be wrong with. So, and I like the Roquefort cheese, it's very nice. So I have also Roquefort cheese here, room temperature. You fill it, the date, and fill that one too. And you don't know how wonderful is, because the Roquefort cheese is a very strong cheese, and with the sweet of the date, delicious. Once with the bacon, we just put it in the oven for a little bit until the date and the bacon are crispy. This is the video of this week. This wonderful appetizer that is a different, easy to make. You can make 1, you can make the 3 of them for a different parties that you are invited to. So I hope you have enjoyed. If so, please don't forget to like my video and comment in the description down there. So I love to see your comment and hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe if you like this type of video. Thank you so much, and I see you next week. Bye bye.